hope you enjoyed my little cicada challenge video. Only problem with it is, I didn't need a real cicada. Now before you go getting your panties in a wad, let me clarify a few things for you. There are no cicadas in my area. That I cannot help. Now we might be getting cicadas later this summer, but I have no idea when that's going to be, and I don't know how long this challenge is going to be open. So I had to compromise. Now if cicadas do happen to come out in my area while the challenge is still open, I'll be sure to do that. And my mom will probably kick me out of the house. But I'll do it. The fake cicada I ate in the video I made out of cottage cheese, and then I chopped up lettuce and I put it on there for the exoskeleton, and then I used barbecue sauce for coloring. But then barbecue sauce didn't work, so I had to use soy sauce. And then that didn't work, so I rolled the whole thing in ground coffee, and that kind of worked. And that's what I ate. Soy sauce, barbecue, coffee, cheese, lettuce thing. It was pretty gross. And my reaction to it was real. I did gag like crazy. And if you want to see the whole reaction, go here. Yeah, as I said, the fake cicada was really gross, so I hope I kind of met the challenge, sort of. That just about does it.
I'm inspired by the hiker who got lost in the Amazon, discovered a new people group, was asked to try their special dish, didn't like it, but acted like he liked it to impress the chief.
You come here often?